Hello guys, today we have some small thing to do. Is we're going to learn how to create a database using phpMyAdmin. So we quickly I think let me say I believe you did install WAMP server already. Click on your WAMP server, look into your right hand corner. It should be green. You click there, you look for phpMyAdmin, you click there. When you hit, this is the username, no password, you log in. So we have a couple of databases here, and what we're looking for is to create a new database. Let me just drop this if possible. No, let me create a new one. So you just click create, then you give your database a name. You say new database, then you create. Done. But some people, they're gonna give you some, they use codes to do so, they use queries to create databases, but there's a simpler way. If you're using this graphical user interface, you can click on your database, then we're going to create tables. We're gonna create a table called students. Then it has 4 columns. We're gonna make it, yeah, okay, 4 is fine. Then we say create. Yes, we're done. Now we're gonna say this should be id, make it to be int, and it should be length, we can use 11, then default none. Make sure it's auto increment. Yeah, it does auto increment. Then you say okay, yes. Then say name, you can make it to be virtual. Then maybe say 30 or 25, make it 30. Then we create your surname, and you can make it virtual. Then we say 30. Then we say grade, we can make it virtual. Then we make it maybe 50, and then we save. Yes, now we have a database. Then in that database, new database, there is a table called students. So in that table, let me go back, click in that table, there is nothing, because if we select, there's nothing we get. So go to insert, then we're gonna start inserting stuff. So on the ID, don't do anything because it's auto incrementing itself. So what you're gonna do here, we can say name, maybe we can say name, you can say John. Surname, maybe we can say Jamini. Then grade, we can say it's doing grade 7. Then we go here and we say name, you can say Ziketele. Surname, we can say Gumede. Then we have 2 names here. Then we're gonna get grade is doing grade 6, grade 5. Then we say go. So we created those people. So when we go here back, we can see there's John and there's Ziketele. So these 2 guys are the only people we have in our table called students. This is the database, this is the table inside the database. So now let's play with some queries. So we go here and say okay, select star. This simply means you're selecting all from our table name student, say where surname equals to Dlamini. So we want to we selecting all the data, all the information from student table where surname equals to Jamin, but we're selecting only for this guy, all the information for this guy. So let me copy this just in case. I don't want to retype this in case something happens. Okay, let me leave it, it's fine. You can say go. So there's a problem in our query. Why? It says select star from student where surname equals to Dlamini, limit equals what they say 114, table new database student does not exist. This error number, it says database the student table doesn't exist. That means we made a mistake here when we're supposed to say students, not student. Okay, go try it again. We go, still it says select star from students where surname equals to Dlamini, limit what say unknown column Dlamini. So that means we forgot to put the double quote. We can do it this way. Okay, let's try again. You can see different errors comes for if you do different things. Yes, this time we got everything right. That query went and got for us the ID, the name, and the surname, and the age. So remember, we have 2 people in the DB. So what we do here in our table, we go back here and we say this time we don't want to select everything. We don't want to select everything. We're gonna do the same query, but we're not going to say star. This time we're gonna only select the grade. We want the grade for this guy, only the grade. Okay, still select grade from. Still we have a problem. It says you must always read what's going on here. Still there's something we forget. Okay, we say okay, this, whenever you see an error, don't panic, just read. You're gonna get what's going on, what's wrong with the query. Select yes, it went in and brought us this guy Dlamini is doing grade 7. Okay, so I think we should add a couple of people so that you can see how databases work. Okay, I'm gonna go to insert. I'm putting another person. This person, we don't put the ID. We're gonna put, it's gonna be called KG. Surname, gonna say Smith. Is doing grade 5. Then we're gonna go to this guy also called what name can I say? Okay, we're gonna say Fred. Surname called Sizwe. Then we save. No, this guy we should give him a grade 7. Okay, now we don't want to specify what. So this time we're gonna say select. We're gonna say this time we're gonna say select. It doesn't matter. You can see, you can make it to be what is small or capital letters. This select, you can say okay, select, it can work like that, or select. Then this time I'm gonna select everything from students, yes, where grade equals to 7. This time we want all the information of those people are in grade 7. Okay, say yes. Yes, we got 2 kids who are doing grade 7. There's Sizwe and Lamin, Fred and John. So these guys are doing grade what? Grade 7, 2 of them. So let's try to see, let's select a grade which is not there. Select star, we're gonna say select star from, no, we're gonna say select star from student. Students is the table name. Then we say where grade equals to 4. So we want to select people from grade 4. Okay, it brings nothing. That simply means we don't have any child registered for grade 4. So what do we do? Can we select all? Let's select all and see. Select all. Yes, we can see we have grade 5 and grade 7. Grade 7, grade 5. 2 grade 5, 2 grade 7. So in case we want to change something, phpMyAdmin is so easy. You can just click here and say okay, at least let's give one person grade 4. Yes, and also we give one person grade 2. So now we have grade 2, grade 5, grade 4, grade 7. So we can also run our query where it say where grade equals to 4. So I'm gonna get that. Yes, we have at least one child doing grade 4. Grade 4, you can see. Okay guys, I think that is helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe. I was just trying to do some simple things in MySQL, and this is MySQL anyway. So we using phpMyAdmin, but to have that you must have WAMP server. We're using WAMP. Some people use XAMPP and more other platforms they use. Okay, so but for us, for our tutorial, we use WAMP. So please do not forget to subscribe, as every day we tell you, please, subscription makes our channel to grow. And please share this to friends and family. Also, if you have some queries, please comment below, and we'll request for something, we'll do it for you. Thanks. That was all guys.